Hello, learner. I am Professor Yogesh Kumar and I belong to Aligarh, India, and currently living in New Delhi, India. And I can teach math and physics for university level and school levels. And about my education qualification, I have done triple master degree in mathematics, physics, and management, and also Bachelor of Education. And about my teaching experience, I have more than 15 years teaching experience offline as well as 4-year teaching experience online for globally students. Now, which course or subject I can teach? I can teach math and physics from school to postgraduate level. First, we describe which course I can teach for university levels. I can teach courses for university level reanalysis, complex analysis, ordinary differential equation, particularly partial differential equations, numerical analysis, operation research, linear algebra, modern algebra, topology, fluid dynamics, integral equation, number theory, probability, statistics, and engineering mathematics. These topics are mathematics for university level I can teach, and now physics courses for university level which I can teach: mathematical physics, nuclear physics, electromagnetic theory, classical mechanics, quantum mechanics, electronics, and engineering physics. Now, math and physics for school level I can teach. Which curriculum? I can teach curriculum ICSC, IGCSE, IB, CBSE, and NIOS. Now, I can teach math and physics for O level, AS level, and A level, and further level. And I can teach chemistry, CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, IB, O, and AS level. Now, the topics first we discuss today: IGCSE, 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 combined science, combined science, code 0653. 0653. Now, first we discuss syllabus. Syllabus. Syllabus is, there are 3 separate parts for biology, chemistry, and physics. Biology have 12 chapters, chemistry have 12 chapters, while physics have only 6 chapters. So, biology chapters are characteristics of living organism, cell, biological molecules, enzymes, plant nutrition, animal nutrition, transport, gas exchange and respiration, coordination and response, reproduction, organism and their environment, and human influences ecosystems. Now, chemistry chapters are the particle natures of matter and exponential techniques, atom element and combination, stoichiochemistries, electricity and chemistries, energy change in chemical reactions, acid, base, and salt, the predictables, metals, air and water, and organic chemistry. Now, physics chapters, there is motion, work, energy and power, thermal physics, property of waves, including light and sound, and electrical quantities and electric circuits. These are topics of O-level mathematics code 0653. Now, there are two types of systems of IGCSE. One is core, another is extended. So, course and extended have two papers. So, first we discuss some paper analysis. There is paper 1. There is paper 1. Okay. 40 minutes time duration, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, and marks 40 marks. Number of questions 40 is MCQs and 30% weightage. And paper 2, this is core and extended, and paper 3 in core, 1 hour 15 minutes durations, 80 questions, and structure, type of question structure. Okay, and 50% weightage. For extended, these are paper 2, 45 minutes, MCQ types, multi-choice questions, and 40 minutes time, 40 marks. And paper 4, 1 hour 50 minutes time duration, 80 marks, 80 marks, and 50% weightage. Now, these are two papers. Paper 5, this is 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 50 minutes, 40 marks, 20% weightage. And paper 6, 1 hour 40 marks, and weightage 20%. Now we discuss a particular topics 4. So first we discuss motion as a unit. First we discuss in physics. I take new page. We explain a chapter of physics. We explain chapter of physics, motion. So in motion, first we distance. The length of actual path, the length of actual path between initial and final position, initial and final position is called distance. Distance. It is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. Unit is meter. Okay. SI unit is meter. Displacement. Displacement. The shortest path between initial and final position is called displacement. It is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. And SI unit meter per second. It is clear? Now, speed. This is core course. Okay. Now, speed equal to distance over time. Distance over time. And displacement always less than distance. And for example, suppose that this is a path A, B, C, D, E. This is initial position and this is final position, means A is initial position and E is final position. A is initial position and E is final position. Then displacement equal to AE and distance equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE. That is, so displacement always less than distance. It is clear? I take new page. I think all concepts are clear. Now, we discuss speed. Speed equal to distance over time. Distance over time. Unit SI unit meter per second. It is a scalar quantity. A scalar quantity. Now, average speed. Average speed equal to total distance over total time taken in travel. Distance. Now, velocity. Velocity equal to displacement over time. Displacement over time. It is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity, and SI unit of velocity is meter per second. Now instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity B instantaneous equal to ds over dt. Derivative of displacement with respect to time. Okay, for I give a questions problem. If the displacement, if the displacement of a body is given by 2t square plus 3, then find velocity after 2 seconds. See solution. See solution. Distance displacement equal to given as 2t square plus 3. 2t square plus 3. Now this is displacement. Derivative of displacement with respect to time, that is equal to derivative of 2t square plus 3, and this is equal to 2 into 2t, that is equal to 4t time after 2 seconds. Time after 2 seconds. Time after 2 seconds. So that is equal to 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. Then instantaneous velocity that is equal to 8 meter per second. It is clear? Now acceleration. The general formula of acceleration is velocity over time. It is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity, and SI unit meter per second square. Okay, and acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity acceleration due to gravity. I take new page. Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. This is given by small sample g, and numerical value of this 9.81 meter per second square. That is near about 10 meter per second square. It is clear? Now, the topic discussed by extended. Extended, okay. Motion. When a body change it is position with respect to time, then body is called in motion. Motion are three types. Motion are three types. Number one, motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line means one dimension motion. One dimension motion. And number two, motion in a plane. Motion in a plane means two-dimension motion. Two-dimension motion. And number three, motion in a space. Motion in a space. That is three-dimension motion. It is clear? And on the motion are two types. This is one horizontal motion. Horizontal motion and vertical motion. Vertically motion. Now, for horizontally motion, for horizontal motion, U is called initial velocity. Initial velocity. V is final velocity. Final velocity. T is time. T is time. And A is acceleration. A is acceleration. Then equation of motion. Equations of motion. That is V equal to U plus minus AT. S equal to UT plus minus half AT square, and B square equal to U square plus minus 2AS. This is for horizontal motion. For vertical motion, for vertically motion, for downward motion, G acceleration due to gravity T will always positive, and for upward motion G always take negative. So these equations are two types here. For upward motion, for upward, for downward vertically motion. 4. Upward vertically motion. Vertically motion. So these equations are, here is G equal to positive and here is acceleration due to equal to negative. So this formula is becomes V equal to U plus GT, S equal to UT plus half GT square and B square equal to U square plus 2GS. And for upward direction, this formula V equal to U minus GT, S equal to UT minus half GT square and B square equal to U square minus 2GS. These are three equations of motions in different form. So these are some descriptions and introductions and topics for O level of combined science. Thanks for watching my video.